We're going to be touring today 785 Bluebird Canyon Drive located in Laguna Beach. This house features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,121 square feet of living space, and it sits on a lot of 5,400 square feet. It is priced at $3,380,000 and it's just a fantastic property. And now let's start with the tour. I want to show you the entrance to the garage. It's a 2-car garage located just at the entrance with a big driveway. And you can see just from the beginning of this house the beautiful finishes of this property that has been reimagined with over $1 million in renovation. Now let's go inside. As we walk going down through the stairs, it's a multi-level home. We have 2 floors, and we also have 2 full-size deck with a stunning view of the ocean. We're gonna check it out later. But now let's take a look at this gorgeous living room. You can see an open space, and you can see all the details of this house are just fantastic. Beautiful staging also. Here you see this marble floor to ceiling fireplace. Beautiful. And you can see here there's plenty of windows and also skylights. The house is full of beautiful natural lights and it's just fantastic. You see the hardwood floor on the bottom here. Let's take a look outside to start with. One of the best features of this house, it's absolutely the view. As you can see from there, we're in Laguna Beach, and on clear days like today, we can also see Catalina Island at the very end. You can only imagine what kind of views we have at sunset. Sunset that goes down on the water, on the ocean. Let's walk over this first deck. Spacious deck. We have 3 different decks, full decks. Now let's go back inside to continue the tour of our main level. You can see high ceiling. We have beautiful light fixtures, and we have on the walls exposed some artwork of a local artist. Laguna Beach is an arts community full of artists, and so the listing agent that we really want to thank, Patti Gregory, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to show this fantastic property that she's listing. She was telling us that she had a meeting with the local artists and she had some of their work exposed on this beautiful staging. Here we see the formal dining table, and here the access to this gorgeous chef kitchen with brand new appliances. We have this beautiful quartz countertops, and also we have this custom-made walnut cabinets. Fantastic. And it's just a beautifully designed kitchen. We also have beautiful appliances. We have this 5-burner stove, gorgeous oven. We also have another detail to point out, which is this ceramic backsplash. Beautiful. Every detail, it's just amazing. We have here dishwasher, big sink, custom-made sink, and also we have here a Samsung smart fridge, and also here I want to point out a separate wine fridge. So it's just a beautiful kitchen. We see skylight here too, and a window. They give plenty of natural light. Now let's go back to explore a little bit more of this main floor. We have this another marble countertop with this beautiful artsy shelf. A lot of wood in this house. It gives like a plenty of coziness and warmth to the ambience, and it's just fantastic. Let's go here and check this gorgeous half bath. As you can see, all the beautiful details. Gorgeous light fixture all over the house too. And here you want to point out this wood vanity, just fantastic. It gives a lot of character to the whole house. It's not the usual white box, but it's just very warm and very personal. So now let's go and check out the other floor. Go down through the stairs. Another light fixture. Nothing, it's casual in this home. Everything is absolutely fantastic. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom. Beautifully staged, beautiful details. We see this couch right here. We have this floor to ceiling fireplace, all marble. We also have this beautiful chair here and plenty of natural light in this master bedroom too. We'll check out also this gorgeous master bathroom with this gorgeous double vanity, beautiful bathtub, and this walk-in shower with big heads, plenty of space. Everything is just so beautiful here. A lot of marbles all around, but there is this mix of marble and white with a lot of warmth from the wood. And here on the right we have this walk-in closet, and I want to point out that there is like a secret, kind of a secret storage here too. Let's go and check out this dedicated patio. This full-size patio with entrance from the master bedroom, and here we have an enlargement with you can see here there is another bedroom we're going to check out in a little bit, a lounge, and you can see there's plenty of space down there. Besides the 3 full decks, there's plenty for a possible pool down there. Let's go back inside. See one of the multiple mahogany doors throughout the whole property. You can see another bathroom here on the bottom level. Double vanity, big head shower, and a jacuzzi right here with plenty of space right there. Beautiful finishes. Let's walk in another guest bedroom. We have a closet right here, plenty of storage space and shelves, and we have also access to the deck from this bedroom too. Plenty of natural light. Natural light is one of the best features of this house, and also the view from the 3 full decks. Let's go back here. We're gonna check the 3rd bedroom. And we see here we have art on the shelf, plenty of wood, hardwood floor. Have plenty of storage space right here, and another window that access to this patio outside. We're gonna check out going out from this other door. This patio, it's in the middle with the couches. It's a lounge space perfect to entertain guests and friends, and it's just like another beautiful feature of this gorgeous home. And here we're going to access one of, if not my favorite space of this house, which is a casita with a kitchenette right here, We have a dining table with a kitchenette, beautiful quartz countertops, and walnut cabinets too. We have an independent fridge here. We have this living area with couches, plenty of storage all throughout the house here. You can see here, plenty of cabinets. And we have this little stairs. It goes up, access to a full-size bathroom with vanity, hot tub, and also a shower. And here, I have to go down a little. We have here this bed and this opening to overview the living room. It's a beautiful independent space to have guests over with their own independency, with their own private full bath, a living room, independent from the rest of the house, but as the rest of the property is just a fantastic space with all the details perfectly curated. Now let's go down to access the third deck. This fantastic redwood deck, very spacious, like more than double in size than the other decks. We have this fireplace here. It's a gorgeous space to gather around with friends and family, and it's just give a lot of warmth to this whole property. Let's go and go back upstairs. We have another section here with storage. This gorgeous property is priced at $3,380,000 and it features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and has a living area of 3,121 square feet. It sits on a lot of 5,400 square feet, just a fantastic space on a private road in one of the most exclusive communities of Orange County. And let's go inside and check this door, window door, and access this beautiful 2-car garage space with beautiful light fixture. Everything it's brand new, details all taken care of by this amazing developer. And also here we have this extra storage space. You can see these 2 mahogany doors that we can see all throughout the property. And this is probably the space dedicated to the laundry room. So laundry room access from the garage. And now let's go back inside on the main floor. There's small stairs. And from here we access back to the kitchen. I love all the light fixture hanging from the ceiling, chandelier, and they're all different. It gives like this sense of coziness and warmth. And now let's wrap up for today with this gorgeous property, 785 Bluebird Canyon Drive. Just want to remind you to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you for the next video.